An electric lawn mower can transform mowing into an enjoyable task and turn an eyesore into a relaxing outdoor space. In 2025, that transformation is more efficient, eco-friendly, and satisfying than ever before. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the best electric mowers of this year, designed to deliver powerful performance with whisper-quiet operation, zero emissions, and minimal maintenance. Whether you're striving for a perfectly manicured lawn or want a tool that makes lawn care easier, these top-rated electric mowers offer impressive features that are reliable enough to back them up. Stay tuned as we explore their design, battery life, cutting capabilities, and everything else you need to know before making it your next smart investment. EVO Power Plus Z6 42-inch zero-turn riding mower. Built with peak power technology, it draws energy from up to 6 56-volt RYOBI lithium batteries, delivering performance that rivals a 22-horsepower gas engine. This mower comes standard with 4 10-ampere-hour batteries, allowing it to mow up to 2 acres on a single charge. For larger properties, users can add 2 more batteries to extend its runtime to cover 3 acres without sacrificing cutting quality or efficiency. Driven by 4 independent brushless motors, the mower operates smoothly across varying terrains and supports speeds from 3 to 8 miles per hour. Its 42-inch cutting deck offers 10 adjustable height positions, ranging from 1.5 to 4.5 inches, providing the flexibility needed to manage different grass types and conditions. With its 3-in-1 design, users can easily switch between mulching, bagging, and side discharge to meet specific lawn care needs. It features a fully adjustable seat with suspension support, an intuitive LCD interface with 3 driving modes, Control, Standard, and Sport, as well as convenient touches such as Bluetooth connectivity, a USB charging port, and a foam holder. Visibility is enhanced with 32 integrated LED lights spread across the front, sides, and rear, ensuring clear sightlines even during early morning or late evening work. Designed to operate in diverse weather conditions, this mower is built with IPX4 rated water-resistant materials, allowing it to perform reliably through light rain and damp environments. It also includes a 700-watt turbocharger that replenishes the battery system in just 2 hours. EVO Power LM2206SP. This select-cut self-propelled electric lawn mower is powered by a 56-volt RYOBI lithium battery system, delivering an impressive 11.1 foot-pounds of cutting torque with blade speeds reaching up to 3,350 revolutions per minute. It tackles dense, overgrown grass with confidence while maintaining quiet operation and consistent performance. The mower features a durable 22-inch cast aluminum deck designed for long-term use and backed by a lifetime warranty. Select Cut multi-blade cutting system includes interchangeable high-performance and high-lift bagging blades, offering users the ability to customize cutting results for mulching or bagging without sacrificing precision. Equipped with a self-propelled drive system using touch drive technology, the mower delivers responsive control through a simple touch interface, allowing users to adjust speed intuitively. The 8-position cutting height system ranges from 1.5 to 4 inches, giving full control over the mowing finish. With LED headlights installed at the front, the mower enables early morning and evening operation without compromising visibility. Included in the bundle are 10 and 5 ampere-hour RYOBI lithium battery, along with a 700-watt rapid charger. Primary 10-ampere battery hour provides up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted mowing on a single charge and can be recharged in just 60 minutes. Mowrator 2 EE12AH. It is a remote control lawnmower delivers advanced performance through a blend of smart technology and efficient design. Powered by a 56-volt 12-ampere-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, it offers up to 90 minutes of runtime and can mow up to 3/4 of an acre per charge. Its 21-inch blade and 5 cutting height settings, ranging from 1.8 to 4.6 inches, provide precise and adaptable mowing across a variety of grass types and conditions. Designed for challenging terrain, the dual-motor and 2-wheel drive system handles slopes up to 45% with ease. A high-powered vacuum module generates 1,612 cubic feet per minute of airflow, efficiently collecting debris, while the rear dumping bag minimizes mess. This integration of mowing, vacuuming, and discharge reduces cleanup and enhances lawn appearance in a single pass. The remote control system features low latency responsiveness and supports straight-line mowing with 0-degree turning for tight spaces. Users can switch between manual and intelligent modes, adjusting blade speeds to match grass density. With 3-in-1 functionality, the mower supports mulching, collection, and precise discharge control. Safety is built in through 4 ultrasonic sensors that detect obstacles, halting the blades instantly if interference is detected. Additional safeguards include an automatic shoot-off if the discharge area opens mid-operation and a reinforced bumper for impact absorption. Recharging takes just 70 minutes using the included fast charger, offering quick turnaround with 0 emissions. RYOBI RV 40-volt 21-inch Whisper Series self-propelled lawnmower. Powered by advanced 40-volt HP brushless motor technology, this model delivers cutting strength that surpasses many 170 cubic centimeters gas engines, while eliminating the noise, fumes, and hassle of fuel maintenance. This lawnmower uses an all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction and stability, making it ideal for navigating uneven or sloped terrain with confidence. It is equipped with RYOBI dual-blade cost-cut system, which ensures clean, precise cuts while improving mulching and bagging efficiency. 7-position single-point height adjustment lets users quickly set the blade height between 1 and 4 inches to meet specific lawn needs. With its dual active battery ports and 2 included 6 ampere-hour batteries, this mower can operate for up to 70 minutes on a full charge. A rapid charger shortens recharge time significantly, helping homeowners complete their yard work without unnecessary delays. The deck is made from durable composite material, offering long-lasting resistance to wear and corrosion while remaining lightweight enough for easy maneuvering. Its one-touch folding handle design allows for compact vertical storage, making it well-suited for garages with limited space. Smart features such as LED headlights for increased visibility and an onboard fuel gauge for battery monitoring add to the mower's convenience and ease of use. It supports mulching, rear bagging, and side discharge functions, giving users the flexibility to maintain their lawn exactly how they prefer. Built with the needs of modern homeowners in mind, this mower delivers a quiet, clean, and capable solution for maintaining up to 3/4 of an acre on a single charge. Toro 21491T Timemaster. It delivers a powerful and cordless mowing experience backed by the reliability of Toro's 60-volt Max Flex Force power system. Built for efficiency and designed to reduce mowing time, this high-performance mower features a durable 30-inch steel deck that covers more ground with every pass. This model uses Toro's dual-force dual-blade system, where 2 synchronized blades finely mulch the grass, resulting in a healthier, lusher lawn and cleaner bagging. The blade tip speed reaches up to 14,279 feet per minute, which ensures a crisp, uniform cut even through dense grass. Paired with the 2.5 bushel bagging system, it delivers strong suction and superior clipping collection for a professional-grade finish. The self-propelled design features Toro's personal pace auto-drive system, which automatically adjusts to your walking speed. With the added traction assist handle, the mower maintains control and grip on uneven or sloped terrain, helping users move comfortably while navigating turns and tight spots. Its 3-in-1 versatility supports mulching, bagging, and side discharge to suit different lawn care needs. The cutting height adjusts from 1.25 to 4.25 inches using a single-point height adjustment system, providing precise control over the lawn's appearance across all seasons. The dual LED headlights increase visibility, allowing users to mow confidently during early mornings or late evenings. For added convenience, a push-button start eliminates the hassle of pull cords, and the washout port allows quick cleaning of the deck by simply attaching a hose. Ego Power TR4204. It is a 42-inch zero-turn riding mower brings commercial-grade cutting performance to your backyard without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas. Powered by Ego's exclusive peak power technology, this mower combines up to 6 56-volt RYOBI lithium batteries to match the performance of a 21-horsepower engine. On a full charge using all 6 included 6 ampere-hour batteries, it covers up to 1.5 acres in a single session. And when it is time to recharge, the included 700-watt charger and ACA 1000 adapter bring all 6 batteries back to full power in just about 3.5 hours. Its 42-inch stamped steel deck is built to take a beating, giving you long-lasting durability with every cut. Whether you are maintaining a clean lawn or tackling overgrowth, this mower delivers consistent and even results. It reaches speeds of up to 6 miles per hour forward and 3 miles per hour in reverse, so you can work efficiently without sacrificing control. With 12 deck height settings ranging from 1.5 inches up to 4.5 inches, you can easily adjust to match the season, the grass type, or your personal preference. And thanks to the dual brushless cutting motors, there are no belts to maintain, which reduces wear and tear while giving you reliable power every time you fire it up. Its digital display puts you in control with 3 blade settings, 3 drive speeds, and built-in cruise control. Segway Navimow i110N. It is a next-generation robotic lawn mower, delivering precise performance and intelligent design for properties up to a 1/4 acre. It eliminates the need for traditional boundary wires by using enhanced RTK positioning, supported by vision technology. This provides stable and centimeter-level navigation across complex terrain, whether the lawn is partially shaded by trees or bordered by narrow pathways. Setup is remarkably simple. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can create virtual boundaries through the app without having to install any physical wires. Navimow uses planned mowing paths to systematically cut the lawn, adjusting its direction after full coverage to minimize visual tracks. It monitors its own battery levels and returns to recharge when needed, resuming operation until the task is complete. Equipped with a wide-angle camera and artificial intelligence, it identifies more than 150 types of common objects across your yard. It handles slopes up to 30% and operates quietly at just 58 decibels, making it suitable for residential areas where noise might be a concern. You can manage up to 12 mowing zones with customized settings for each. Through the Navimow app, users can modify mowing directions, set schedules, create off-limit areas, and even establish safe paths between zones. With an IP66 rating, it is built to withstand dust and water exposure, giving you reliable performance regardless of the weather. If this video helped you understand what sets this electric mower apart from the rest, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so you never miss another expert review. Share your thoughts in the comments. We always enjoy hearing your feedback, questions, and personal experiences. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time with more trusted advice to help you make smarter choices for your home and garden.